Imagine walking into a room, and within seconds, all eyes are on you. Conversations shift in your direction. People lean in when you speak. You hold a magnetic presence, effortless, undeniable, and almost hypnotic. Now, what if I told you, this isn't luck, it's psychology? Stay with me, because in the next 5 minutes I'll break down the most powerful seduction techniques rooted in dark psychology. And by the end, you'll know how to use them to make anyone irresistibly drawn to you. 1. The power of dopamine, making people crave you. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about brain chemistry. And one chemical is your secret weapon, dopamine. Dopamine is the brain's reward neurotransmitter. The more you trigger it, the more people associate you with pleasure. How do you do this? By using intermittent reinforcement, the same principle casinos use to keep people gambling. Instead of giving someone constant attention, create unpredictability. Respond to messages inconsistently but warmly. Give compliments sparingly so they hold value. Show moments of deep connection, then pull back slightly. This keeps their brain craving your presence, unsure when the next reward will come. And guess what? It makes you irresistible. Ever wonder why people chase the ones who ignore them? It's not magic. It's just bad timing and good psychology. But what happens when someone starts mirroring your behavior? That's where things get really interesting. 2. The subconscious mirror, building instant trust. Mirroring is one of the most powerful yet undetectable seduction techniques. Psychologists have found that when someone subtly mimics another person's gestures, speech patterns, or body language, it creates an unconscious bond of trust and attraction. This is called the Chameleon Effect. Here's how to use it. If they lean in, you lean in. If they touch their face, do the same a moment later. If they speak slowly, slow down your speech. The trick? Keep it subtle. If they notice, it breaks the spell. Done right, they'll feel connected to you without knowing why. But sometimes words are more powerful than actions if you know how to use them. The power of strategic mystery. Have you ever been obsessed with figuring someone out? That's because our brains hate unresolved mysteries. This is why the world's most seductive people don't overshare. Instead, they use strategic mystery, giving just enough information to spark curiosity, but not enough to satisfy it. Answer questions with hints, not full details. When someone asks about your past, smile and say, "Maybe I'll tell you someday." Share intriguing experiences, but never all at once. Psychologists call this the Zeigarnik effect, our tendency to remember unfinished stories more than completed ones. In other words, people will keep coming back for more. But there's one last trick, one that forces people to associate you with intense emotions. 4. Emotional anchoring. Becoming unforgettable. People don't remember what you say, they remember how you make them feel. If you want to become unforgettable, you must create emotional anchors. Here's how it works. If you make someone laugh hysterically, they'll associate you with joy. If you're there for them during a crisis, they'll connect you with deep trust. If you share an adrenaline-filled experience, like an adventure or a thrill, they'll feel bonded to you instantly. This is why couples who go through intense experiences together often develop stronger connections. Their emotions get tied to each other, and once you've mastered these techniques, people won't just like you. They'll be drawn to you without even realizing why. Now you know the hidden psychology of seduction. Use dopamine triggers to create addiction. Mirror subtly to build trust. Stay strategically mysterious to keep curiosity alive. And use emotional anchoring to become unforgettable. But here's the thing. Seduction isn't just about charm. It's also about power, especially in the workplace. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps bring more eye-opening psychology content straight to you. And before you go, make sure to check out my next video on how to build respect and authority in any workplace. It's packed with psychological insights to help you command influence in professional settings. Until next, stay curious, stay unpredictable with Psychology Pulse.